respective principals, teacher and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Savera Noor, and my co-host is Warzik Fatma. वजूदे ज़न से है तस्वीरे कायनात में रंग, वजूदे ज़न से है तस्वीरे कायनात में रंग, उसी के साथ से है ज़िंदगी का सोज़े दुरूद.
It is often said that when you empower a woman, you empower a nation. Women's empowerment is not just a phrase, it's a movement, a mindset, and a mission to uplift half of the humanity to their rightful place in the society. Women's empowerment is the subject that resonates deeply, as it is about ensuring that every woman has opportunity to receive her potential, make her choice, and contribute meaningfully to the society. Throughout history, women have broken barriers, overcome countless challenges, and proven that empowerment is the key to the progress. Through their innovation and education, their contribution have been transformative.
Our esteemed speaker, Fiza Khalid, will guide us through this journey of understanding why women's empowerment is not just a social responsibility, but a necessity for a brighter, more equitable future. Puts your hand together, welcome Fiza Khalid on stage.
जिन बच्चों ने प्रोग्राम में शिरकत की हुई है वो अंदर तशरीफ ले जाएं. जिनके बाकी इवेंट्स रहते हैं वो सारे बच्चे अंदर चले जाएं.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected audience and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fiza Khalid from FSC Pre-Medical, and today I want to talk about the most crucial topic of our society, women empowerment. Empowering women isn't about giving them powers, but it is about removing the barriers so they can thrive. For centuries, women faced inequality, injustice, and discrimination, but yet time and again, women have proven their strength and resilience. From Marie Curie, the first woman to win the Nobel Prize, to Malala, the one who advocates for girls' education. Whether it's science, business, or sports, women have proven their strength and resilience. And we have living examples like Jane Austen, Serena Williams, and Kalpana Chawla. But despite of these much of progresses, challenges remain. Women still earn less than men, even for the same work. Why? Just because of the gender? Just because they are women? And this isn't just unfair to the women. This is holding the world back. Ladies and gentlemen, millions of girls are deprived of education. They have no access to school. But education is the key of success and empowerment. An educated girl grows up to become a woman who can make decisions for herself and for the community. An educated woman can be the creator of a prosperous family and a prosperous community. But despite of these much of advantages, challenges remain. Millions of girls have no access to school. They are limited by harmful stereotypes. They are judged by outdated tradition. And this hinders not just the women, but the progress of entire society. Because development of a society isn't possible without women. There's an old saying, when you empower a woman, you empower a nation. Ladies and gentlemen, here a question rises. What can we do for them? Speak up against injustice, support women-led initiatives, and make a nation where a woman feels safe and respected. So let us work together to make a nation where a woman feels free to dream, feel free to lead, and feel free to succeed. Thank you so much for your precious day. Have a nice day ahead.